Welcome to today's podcast discussion focused on residential remodeling and construction projects throughout Orange County. For many homeowners, improving a property involves more than selecting finishes or choosing design styles. Successful projects often begin with planning, budgeting, understanding project requirements, and working with experienced professionals who can guide the process from concept to completion. Whether the goal is updating a kitchen, renovating a bathroom, expanding living space, or completing a whole home transformation, every project benefits from a clear strategy and realistic expectations. Homeowners should consider functionality, long-term value, construction timelines, and future household needs before beginning any major renovation. Orange County properties vary significantly in age, layout, and construction requirements. Because every home presents unique opportunities and challenges, careful planning and professional project management play an important role in achieving successful results. Golden Age Construction works with homeowners on a wide range of residential remodeling and construction projects, helping them navigate planning, design considerations, construction coordination, and project execution. By focusing on quality workmanship, communication, and long-term functionality, homeowners can make informed decisions that support both their lifestyle and property goals. Thank you for joining today's discussion on residential remodeling and construction. We hope these insights help homeowners better understand the planning process behind successful home improvement projects throughout Orange County.